Hello there, this is binaryoptions.com. We are continuing our Binary Options Academy projects with another Bill Williams indicator, and this time it's about the awesome oscillator. I know the name looks a bit crazy, but nevertheless that's the name. This is the MetaTrader, a demo account on the MetaTrader in order to make the analysis and so on. So insert indicators. Under the indicators category you will have the trend indicators, the oscillators, and the Bill Williams indicators. So far we've covered the accelerator oscillator, the alligator, and this one it is being called the awesome oscillator. What's interesting on the awesome oscillator is that it resembles very much the accelerator one, and if you want it is having the same interpretation. Nevertheless, let's try to see what it means. So clicking on the awesome oscillator, it comes with two colors, green being bullish, red being bearish, and in this visualization, if you go on the levels, you can add levels. These are the default settings, and the visualization should be on all time frames. So being an oscillator, it means that it's going to be plotted at the lower side of the screen and not at the upper side of the screen. This is important. Clicking OK, and this is how the oscillator it is looking like. Again, like the accelerator, it comes with two values: positive territory, and negative territory. One good question, so negative territory. One good question is, why is important, or why should we trade with the accelerator oscillator and not with the accelerator? What's the difference? Well, as you can see, the spikes into positive and negative territory are bigger and more powerful in this case. So it should be more easier to identify overbought and oversold levels with this one. Let me take these arrows as they were from different interpretation, like this. So positive and negative. And we said that the first thing we want to look is when market is moving from a positive to negative territory, in order to find out the continuation pattern, in order to trade the continuation pattern. So right clicking on the screen and indicators list, we choose the awesome oscillator, we go with edit, and we want to add a level. So in order to find out the transition between the positive and negative, or from negative to positive, we go and add the 0 level, and let's make it in black, and this structure, and by clicking OK, it is appearing on the screen. What do we want to see? We want to see when price is trading into, or when it goes from positive to negative. So this is a nice place to go and buy call options. It is translated in here. Now the first two candles are to the downside, but you're not trading with 1 hour expiration date because the time frame is the 4 hours. So we're going with end of day or even end of week if price comes on a Friday is the thing to do. Where should we go and trade put options? We should trade put options on a move below 0 from positive to negative. So this is a nice place to go and trade put options. This is a nice place to go and trade call options. This is a nice place to go and trade put options, and so on and so on. Now look at this, look at this structure. So this structure from here to here in the 99 candles times 4 hours, you will have 4 winning trades, or 4 options. They're expiring the money only on a simple interpretation with the transition on the 0 level from the positive to negative. You go and trade put options, or from the negative to positive you go and trade call options. Now taking into account the fact that binary options trading is having more than 70%, 80% rate of return with 4 consecutive winners, then you go being more relaxed into your trading. Stay tuned for the second part, trying to interpret here divergences as well with the oscillator to see if we can add to this interpretation of the awesome oscillator.